This is the neighborhood in DuDa where we are staying.
We're going for a walk to the grocery store and we're gonna give you a tour. I want you to decide if it's a bad neighborhood or not. What do you think?
Subscribe to my channel and you can see all the upcoming adventures. And we are flying to a new country soon.
The grocery store is located over this area. It's only 3 or 4 blocks from here. We wanted to rent an apartment within walking distance to the beach. Here's the beach. It's only a couple of blocks away.
That's our apartment on the 4th floor. If you want to see the inside, click for the link above this video. Let's get walking!
There's a little chicken in the road. That's normal.
Grab that rooster, we'll eat him for dinner.
It's really funny that Raya thinks a chicken in the road is normal. She's obviously been in Asia for quite a while now. Construction workers live in those little shacks over there. Unlike at home, here a lot of the construction workers actually live at the construction site while they're building.
You can see a lot of construction debris all over this road as we walk. I definitely won't be doing any cartwheels to the grass around here.
I mentioned earlier that on our walk today, we're going to the local grocery store. There is really good reason for that. We're traveling long term, so it's not just a vacation. That means we need to do chores like grocery shopping, cooking, and laundry. Right now, we need to get some food! Ta-da!
Woohoo! Food!
This neighborhood is not bad, in a crime sense, which is what you think of mostly when someone says a neighborhood is bad. Nobody is going to rob us or anything.
There's the ocean that way. More buildings under construction. But we're going to the store over this way.
It is bad because the entire area is under construction. It's a bad place to live right now, but maybe in a nice place to live in a year or 2.
Lots of garbage everywhere.
I just stepped on a giant sponge.
That building's under
I've never lived
construction.
in a place where there's so much construction at once. Around us right here, an entire high-rise neighborhood is going up. That wasn't in the ad when they rented this place.
Wires hanging down. Watch the bike. And let's cross over here. More buildings under construction. There.
The DuDa Beach area is turning into a big city with the tall buildings under construction everywhere.
It's a wet day. It's been raining for about 5 days. This typhoon ruined our weather. It's almost over now. And here's the store we're going to.
Can you read the sign above the door? The English sign says MT Mart, but the Vietnamese name's a lot longer.
Pick one of these videos to watch next. They're really good.
Yes, babies.